Hey friends, my name is Lonnie. I am back with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be unboxing the Le Creuset Demi tea kettle. This was another item that I had purchased from Nordstrom. I did not purchase this item on sale because there was a particular color that I wanted and that color wasn't on sale. This tea kettle retails for $84. And yeah, it just came today, so let's get to the unboxing. And my scissors here. And I bought this tea kettle to heat my water for coffee because I have some really nice glasses from Macy's that I drink coffee in, but I can't put them in the microwave. So let me get me a really nice tea kettle. Packing list. And here it is. The Le Creuset tea kettle in the color sea salt. It is the 1.25 quart. Oh, this color is amazing. That's the lid. Instruction manual. Here it is. Maybe take this out. Packaging. This is a beautiful, beautiful tea kettle. This would make a nice gift for someone. And thank you for watching another unboxing.